So, Gwen, how did you create quotes before using Quadra, and what challenges did you face?
So we have 7 divisions, and we all used a separate Excel workbook, which had formulas in it. And one of the big things that was very hard for us is that we have customers that span throughout all the divisions. And there were times that they would get 7 different formatted proposals for their quotes. And it was very, they had different pricing. And
how has your sales process changed now that you're using Quadra?
Well, the actual sales process hasn't changed. Basically, the way that we do the quotes using Quadra, we use a little bit different than probably most people. Our office people are currently doing the quotes, and it has made where everything is more formatted the same pricing for each one, and it has helped as far as the time, because now we do the quote, it's approved, and we can create a service call. Whereas formerly we had to send the quote out, change everything, the address and everything for the quote, change the address, send it to the customer, get it back approved, and then actually go into key to action and create the service call. So a lot of that stuff is done for us now when we get ready to, after the approval process. It's a much smoother process, and the data is much smoother now with Quadra.
What would you say are the top 3 benefits of using Quadra that's helping your business?
Sure. So it's automated our process, and it's given us much better data. It's allowed us to use special labor rates that our customers have, because it uses the system's pricing matrix and labor rate group. And then also it's provided a consistent format for the 7 divisions. So they all have the same format. The proposal quote templates are all formatted the same. The same information is on each one.
And has Quadra, do you feel, improved the accuracy of your quotes? And have you seen a reduction in the time spent in getting quotes out to customers?
So yes, most definitely it has improved the entire process. We are able to get it to the customer. If we need to resend it to the customer, it's much easier to find than having to go to a file cabinet, pull it out, scan it, copy it, or even keep a shared drive where we kept all of them in a digital format. So it's just much more easy to find that information now. And as for the time, it is a lot more streamlined, especially if there's an approval process and getting that set up in the system. So yes, we actually timed it. Yes, we did. We actually timed it. When we first started Quadra, everybody was hesitant and they did not want to use it. And we fought really hard to get it implemented. So I tested the amount of time using their workbook and the amount of time that it took using Quadra from beginning to end, from getting the information from the technician to entering it into both the spreadsheet and to the Quadra system, and then also getting it set up in the system. And Quadra was about a minute faster than their process. So a minute is a minute, and it's a minute saved, so to do something else. Change is hard for everyone. And we live in a digital world, and sometimes with old school people, it's kind of hard to get them to transfer to your way of thinking. So has been an adventure. Jen, Mike have been great to work with. And we just, we're looking forward. We have 180 technicians, so really want a lot of them to use it.